Hi Pink Villa, my name is Aditi Singh Sharma. Thank you so much for coming to my house. I have been traveling since I was a baby, and I did my kindergarten in Poland, then I came back to India, and then I studied in Russia for 5 years. So accordingly, my taste in shoes was not really much in my hands, but it was more of which country offered what to me. To be honest with you guys, I can't even remember when I bought my first pair of shoes or when I owned them, because I always remember having so many shoes. But right now what I'm going to show you guys is these are shoes of my choice and my taste. I'm starting with one very strange story which I'm sure most of you girls can relate to. When there's a very incredible pair of shoes in your closet and something has happened to it but you don't want to throw it away. I think that has happened to most of us, and I have one such special incredible memory. These are the shoes that I wore to IFA 2013, that incredible performance with Pritam, Arijit Singh, Benny Dayal and Raghav Sachar. This is that magical moment, and I've gotten so much love for that performance with Pritam and Arijit, and they're gone, but I'm just not able to let it go because of that sentimental value. Next ones, this one is a pair in which I performed at the Mirchi Music Awards, I think about 2 years ago now, and I paid tribute to Shah Rukh Khan in them. And they say ADT on them, on both of them. For me, like, these shoes, they bring such amazing memories, because after that tribute that I paid to Shah Rukh Khan, I've never worn them because they've just become so special. So they're pretty much like brand new, but they're just, those memorable shoes that you just want to keep in your wardrobe. And yeah, I have pictures with him in them as well. Thank you, shoes. I got a gift last year on my birthday. Someone made these boots for me. I haven't had a chance to wear them yet, but I think they're beautiful. And I love the fact that how people know that I love shoes and food and music so much, and that they do such special things for me. It's really special. These ones are amazing boots. I have worn them to various gigs and everybody has always complimented them and loved them. So just basic with your blue jeans and either white shirt or blue jeans and black top. It's a little difficult to maintain boots. As you can see, I've stuffed them so that they don't lose their shape, and I keep them in the box just to retain the shape, because otherwise they just start falling everywhere, and it's very important to keep them in shape. It's happened with me a few times that when I haven't kept the boots in with the stuffing, what happens is that the boots will start bending, and that bend ends up peeling off. So that's a good tip. If you own any boots, please put some stuffing in, stick a newspaper in there, whatever, and it helps retain their shapes. Out of the high tops, I think I've worn these three for the gigs the most. These I just recently bought, and they're just such a surprise because this was glowing on stage, and that was just incredible. I love the combination of them. They're slightly uncomfortable, to be honest with you guys, but I have always chosen the shoe over the comfort. That's so funny. Don't do that. Don't ever do that. You'll end up with various back problems and leg problems and other many things. These ones I love. They are new. Worn them to one gig. Got so many pictures. They're called the Jeremy Scott wings. I love these, and this glows in the dark as well. So it was really nice. We got some amazing pictures. I'm sure you guys have seen them in some of my pictures. I love them. The same IFA where I performed with Pritam and Arijit, I performed on day one with Benny Dayal, and for those specially, I went and I got these amazing heels. Okay, they look like a dream. They're amazing. And I remember me and Benny, we performed at the, that first day that they have where all the models are walking on the ramp, the ramp walk. And I had to walk in these, the entire ramp, and go up to the front and had to walk back. And it was a task because they looked amazing, but just to get used to them, because this is really, the bottom part is really hard. So it doesn't have that bounce to walk. But after the performance got over, I had so many messages, and I had people coming up to me, and there were girls going, "Oh my God, I love your shoes. Where did you get them from?" And I was just like, damn, it's worth it. These ones I wore performing for IFA with Nakash in Malaysia, which was I think 2 years ago. We did an amazing performance, and I have pictures from that as well. And just look at them. I don't even need to say anything. You just wear these and wear anything else and nobody will know what else you wore, because this just blings, like, you know, bling it on your feet. They're just amazing. I love these shoes. I've worn them more for, not for my shows, but I think for another red carpet event, I think I wore them, and I think they're just lovely. So as you can see, I love heels. I'm more into the, you know, the silvers and the golds, these kind of shoes. These are really, I love them. I wear them a lot for my stage shows. I wear these a lot for my stage shows. I love these. This pair is amazing. These are also new. I just got them in Dubai. And I have not worn these as much, again because of that narrow, you know, like slight discomfort, but they're beautiful. Maybe I'll wear them for a red carpet event sometime. And these I have never worn. I just got them. They, as you can see, look brand new. But yeah, they just look amazing. Amazing. These ones I love. I remember I wore this one for a press conference or an event, and everybody was talking about my heels. It's so funny. I have these stories for which I've gone for these events where, you know, my industry friends are there and singers are there, and everybody's always ended up talking about my shoes. These ones, I think it was the Mirchi Music Awards press conference or something, and this one I've worn for a few interviews, and I love them. They just, you know, jazz up the scene with the blue and the green. Wow, that rhymes. Everybody should have a plain pair of black heels. Everybody should have a plain pair of nude heels. Mine are slightly jazzy. They're amazing. I've actually performed in these on a stage which had a mirror under my foot. So I was looking down and I could see this in the reflection. That was just, it feels amazing. Only to girls. Guys don't care about such stuff. These ones are amazing. They're rose gold. Rose gold came in like a storm, I think about a few years ago, where everybody was wearing rose gold jewelry, rose gold shoes, rose gold plates, cutlery, everything was happening. So I got them, and they look awesome because it just, you know, that off gold color. Love them. And these ones also I got. So yeah, I kind of got two shoes of the same kinds in two different colors, but you can't really tell because I mean, technically they're the same, but that effect on this is different as it is on this. That's why I bought them. Otherwise I would never buy shoes of the same you know, style in two different colors. But they're really, really comfortable because Nine West has started this new thing called the broad foot 4 pointy heels, which very few brands do. So they're really comfortable, surprisingly. And of course, since we live in Mumbai, life is incomplete without gum boots. I have been called the girl in yellow boots so many times that it's just beyond funny. So these are, I think, from London, which my friend Apeksha gifted me because you don't get such colors here yet. And I love them. I can't survive without them because they just, you know, I think gum boots are something that it just, you're covered till like here. So no matter how much pani, kichad, or whatever there is, it's fine. You just come at home and you can just rinse them out. I love these flats. These are from Aldo, and they came out with this new collection, and I love them. Really, really, really pretty pair. Silver shines, and I love this new styling happening. You guys have seen them everywhere. These also I love. Very simple, just can bling any outfit up. Only trouble with the glitter is, what I'm showing you guys this is, if you live in a place like Mumbai or probably many other cities in India, the glitter tends to dust up, and it's very difficult to get dust off of glitter. So for shoes like these, like this one and this one, I would suggest that you just stick them in separate poly bags, and then you can just store them, and it saves them from dusting up. Small tip for you guys. Same with these. Oh my god, they're so pretty. I can't get over it. I can't get over it so much that I've never worn them. So they're just beautiful. Same story. Same thing, don't need to say much, but the glitter, dust, watch that. And these I've never worn till now, but they're beautiful. I don't know what I'm waiting for, but sometimes, you know, you do have to match your outfit to your shoes. Can't just always just wear whatever you want and walk out the door. These ones came out last year, and I just had to buy them. They're that silver tin colored, and I have done a few shows in them, and they look incredible on stage. And if you guys have followed me anywhere on social media, I'm sure you've seen these shoes in the, you know, college show photographs. I just went to Turkey for a show, I think last month, and I went to the Diesel store over there, and these are from there. They're amazing. And then I went to Dubai a while ago, and there I went to Diesel and found these. So it's the opposite, it's the copper colored ones, but yeah, kind of similar styling. So yeah, and I'm wearing these. I love these shoes, very comfortable to travel in. Not really done a show in them. Again, same problem, dust settles into them, so I have to be careful with them. And after all the glitter and the jam and the sham and all that stuff, I go back to my hotel room after my shows everywhere, no matter which city I am in, no matter which country I am in, and you will find me having dinner in these. They're so cute, they're so comfortable, and I would suggest, so these are bought for the summer, because you know that the padding really helps relax your feet if you're in an uncomfortable position. And then I bought these for winters, because you know during winter time we travel a lot in the northern belt and it's really cold there, so you know these are open at the back, but they're so cute. So for the love of my shoes, for all my prayers for many years, God gave me an amazing song in my Bollywood career to sing the song High Heels, which I feel, you know, I feel like a deserving candidate. And yeah, my love for heels. I wonder if they're gonna make another song for me, you know, saying like sports shoes te nache te tu badi jache, or like, you know, flats to pakya or something. I don't know. Just we'll wait and we'll see what happens. But thank you for joining me and letting me talk to you and share important memories and my love for my shoes. I hope you guys liked my shoe collection. If you did, please don't forget to share it with your friends, because this is how we make memories and make moments happen. And don't forget to like, subscribe and comment to Pink Villa. And if there's anything else you want to say to us, you can write to either of us on various social media platforms. Thank you guys so much.